Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. In this quick video, we're going to be changing the filter on my BMW Z4 E89. The dealer wanted over $150 for this simple job, and it'll take you less than 10 minutes to do it yourself at home. The first step is to remove the intake port. You're going to need an 8mm, and I'm going to use my handy dandy battery drill to get it done faster. So there's just 4 bolts right here. You have to remove all 4 of them. Then we're just going to pull on it and get it removed. Put that to the side. Unclip these 2 clips, and there's another one on the side right here. And pull out the filter housing. There's the filter. Now we're just going to take a regular flathead and remove the filter from the filter housing. As you can see, there's a ton of leaves, a lot of dirt in there, so it's a good thing we're changing it. Even though this one isn't so bad, it's definitely seen the better days. You want to dump out any remaining leaves or dirt or debris out of this filter housing. Here's a little comparison between the old and the new. You can clearly tell which one's which. Now we're just going to put the new filter back in the filter housing. Make sure it goes in nice and tight. This shouldn't be sticking out like that. And now we're going to put the filter housing back in its position. And don't forget the clip on the side. There it is. All that's left now is to attach the intake port back to the filter housing and bolt it down to the car. This is all it takes to change the filter on the BMW N20 engine, in this case my BMW Z4 E89. The same filter fits on 2012-2015 BMW X1, 2012-2016 BMW 528, and the same car as this, which would be the 2010 to 2016 Z4. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this helped you change your filter and save over $100 from dealer prices. The filters are linked in the description, and they're only about 20 bucks.